let's just get right in there. So I've already taken down quite a bit. Let me see if I can find one that you guys can see pretty good. We'll start with this one right here. And basically, every time you put in a lock, you create a little tab right here, okay? You can see the tab, hopefully. And you're just gonna find that tab and pull it. Pull it to open the hole. And it's just going to open it for you, and you just slide that baby out. So here it is. I just find that tab, pull the tab very gently. You don't want to pull your hair. Do not pull your hair, okay? And it's out like butter, baby. Once again, find that tab. My tab's right here. Pull that thing on out. And oops, I forgot to take that out, but it's okay. Just open it up a little more, and it's out of there. When you get into your groove, this is how quick you're gonna be. You're gonna just be pulling them out like it's nothing.